Wow, what's in this big box? Whoa, look, what a surprise! Wow, it's a super cool yellow excavator. Let's take it out for an adventure. Vroom, vroom. Awesome! What's next? It's a big blue bulldozer, so strong. Let's see it go up the ramp. Go, bulldozer, go! Now it's driving on a long, winding road. Whee! Time to pick another toy. It's a green cement mixer. Let's get to work. Spin, spin, spin. Look at this bumpy bridge. Wow! Now it's climbing up the big boxes. You can do it! Let's see what's next. A big red crane truck. Look how long that crane is. So cool. Let's see it drive over the bridge. It's lifting the dump truck. Heave ho! Good job, Mr. Crane. Time for our next friend. It's a classic yellow dump truck. Beep, beep. Let's follow the road signs. And now into the tunnel we go. Okay, let's see what's in here. It's a forklift, ready to lift all the heavy things. Let's go clean up this mess. Vroom! Now the forklift is driving through a city made of boxes. What's this one? A road roller. Time to make the road nice and flat. Let's roll. Squish, squash. And now for a super big jump. Whoa! Great job, everyone!
I dig the ground, scoop, scoop, scoop. I'm the excavator. Whoop, 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 woo. I push the dirt strong and slow. I'm the bulldozer. Go, go, go. Woo, woo, woo. I spin around, mix concrete. I'm the mixer. Beat, beat, beat. Woo, woo, woo. I lift up high, way up tall. I'm the crane truck. Don't let it fall. I carry loads and tip, tip, tip. I'm the dump truck. Flip, flip, flip. Woo, 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 woo. I lift up boxes up and down. I'm the forklift. Round and round. Woo, woo, woo. I roll the road smooth and neat. I'm the roller. Thump, thump, beat. Woo, 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 woo.
Wow, look at this super cool garage. Which door will open first? It's the red door. Whoa, it's a fire truck coming out. Here comes the yellow door. It's a school bus. Beep, beep. And a green door. It's a garbage truck. Next is the blue door, a police car. And the pink door? It's a cement mixer. All the cars are gray. Look at them all. 5 gray cars. Let's make them colorful. First, the fire truck. Let's get a magic paintbrush. Swish, swish, swish. Wow, it's red now. So cool. A beautiful red fire truck. Time to go on an adventure. Whee! Down the rainbow slide. That looks like so much fun. Uh-oh, there's a fire. You did it! Hooray! Now it's the school bus's turn. Let's paint it a happy color. Brush, brush, brush. Yay! It's bright yellow! A perfect color for a school bus. Let's go for a ride. Whee! Down the big rainbow slide. Time to go to school. Beep, beep. Okay, garbage truck, you're next. What color should we use? Green, of course. Paint, paint, paint. Awesome! A super green garbage truck. It's ready to slide. Whoosh! So fast. Now it's time to pick up the trash. Great job, garbage truck. Look, the police car. Let's make it look amazing. A little blue paint here. And some white here. Perfect. A real police car. Let's go. Whee! Down the fun slide. Vroom, vroom. Keeping the city safe. Last but not least, the cement mixer. Let's make it pretty and pink. Swish, swish. Oh, it's beautiful! Look, it's flying with balloons. So magical. Now let's slide. Wow! Time to get to work and build something amazing. Pour that cement. Fantastic! What a fun day!